Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming the Lenovo is powered and online. This matters because recovery options often require account lookup. Next, note the exact Bitlocker recovery ID displayed. Write it down or photograph it. Make sure you know which Microsoft account or enterprise account the device was linked to and have admin credentials ready. Once done, you're set to search recovery keys in those accounts or via your organization's recovery portal. This saves time versus guessing or trying random keys. You now check primary locations for the recovery key. First, sign into the Microsoft account associated with the device and open devices, then look for Bitlocker recovery keys matching your recovery ID. If the Lenovo is managed, notify IT immediately so they can query Azure AD, Intune, or Active Directory for the key. Provide the recovery ID. Also inspect any USB sticks, printed recovery key documents, or exported files where you might have stored the 48-digit key. These common sources often resolve the issue quickly. You should enter the exact 48-digit Bitlocker recovery key to unlock the drive. Type carefully and use hyphens if prompted. Once the system boots, immediately suspend Bitlocker, decrypt if needed, and back up the recovery key to your Microsoft account and an external secure location. If you cannot locate the key, escalate to your IT admin for formal recovery procedures. As a last resort, be prepared to reinstall the OS and restore data from backups. Troubleshooting tip: if the key fails,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.